I have found this amazing AI tool that you can use to create a video ad that will get to the emotion of your audience so that you can sell out easily. Here I have this AI tool, Creatify.ai. Go to your browser and type Creatify.ai. When you come to Creatify.ai, it says generate your first ad for free. No card is required. Okay, so we click on generate. So it's asking us, share your product link to generate a video. So maybe you have your product somewhere, you want to generate a video for it, you do that. Okay, now I want to upload mine manually. So I'm going to describe my products. So you describe your products or your services. Then it's asking for logo. I'm gonna put my logo. So for media, I'm going to upload. So it will require that you upload images. So I'll upload at least 3 images or videos. So I'm going to go to my videos and look for a video related. I'm going to upload this video too. Okay, now we'll have our videos. We have our videos.
So when we started this training, we talked about H1, H2 tags, H1, H2, H3, and
okay, so I've added the things that will aid this AI to know what I want to create. So it's asking you how you want it to be, which aspect ratio is it, 9:16, 16:9, or whichever. So depending on the platform where you want to post it, you choose the aspect ratio that you want. So I am choosing 16:9. 16:9 is for YouTube, while 9:16 is for Facebook, and 1:1 goes for Instagram. Okay, so I am selecting this one. I'm selecting. So how do you want it to be? Do you want it to be 15 seconds video, 60 seconds video, or 30 seconds video? So I am going to select 60 seconds video, a minute video. Okay. So who is my target audience? My target audience are business owners. So I have put who my target audience is. So it's now generating script for me. Fantastic. So you want the AI to write a script for you, it has written it. Or if you have your own script yourself, actually now I don't have any script I've written anywhere. So let us see what it has written for us, whether we can modify it. Okay, so we can actually edit any of them that we want. So let us go and check. So I'm going to remove this here, everyone. And I'm going to edit. Okay, so I have rewritten the script the way I want it to be, and I'm gonna click save. So maybe before you do your own, just calm down and write your script before you start creating your video. So I'm going to, please ensure your script is okay. The script is long, is at least one. Ever wonder why you are not making sales? You want to attract more customers and grow your business. So I'm gonna remove this. So I've written my script. I click on next. So it's gonna generate So here we have our different videos. Here we have our video generated for us. So let's play it out and see. This is not a full video yet, okay?
We're not making sales. Are you tired of feeling invisible?
You are selling, don't have any video. You have a product you are selling, want to use. Just put it where I put those my own, and it will come create something amazing like this for you. So you want to change avatar. So you want to change avatar. This is the avatar it's used. Maybe you want to change avatar and use someone else. Then you can do that. So it has chosen the one I selected. Then the voice too. Let's see.
Why we're not making sales? Are you tired of feeling invisible online? Want to attract more customers and grow your business? Join our expert-led SEO training and learn how to optimize your website for search engines.
Wow, and the way the thing is speaking, so nice that it doesn't sound like AI. The way the thing is, it doesn't sound like AI. Like, this tool is so amazing. So amazing. It doesn't even sound like AI. So now you can change the voice if you don't like the voice here. But I think I like the voice too. I like the voice. Then ratio. Aspect ratio I chose was 16:9. You can as well change. Let's change it here and see. So it's giving me 9:16. So it's either I want this 9:16, which is for TikTok, or I choose 1:1. But I think this 9:16 is very much okay by me. I can leave it like this. I leave. You see it? I prefer this one. This is very okay than this one, because this one have a video and it's saying something else. So it's the video I gave it was what make it not to be okay. But then this is very okay. Let's check out this other one too.
Ever wondered why you are not making sales? Are you tired of feeling invisible online? Want to attract more customers and grow your business? Join our expert-led SEO training and learn how to optimize your website for search engines.
This is very, very okay to see another.